This is James. James likes birds. More specifically, he doesn't like birds, but in fact believes they are drones controlled by the government. He travels around the world attempting to catch and understand these strange phenomenons. We'll now ask James to explain his theory for the audience at home.
So why do you like birds?
I don't like them. What I'm doing here is, I don't know, it's more of I have to, alright? No one else is looking into it. No one else will listen to me. The news all think I'm crazy. And, someone has to do it.
So what do you mean by that? What do you have to do?
Well, so most bird watchers are just that, right? They watch birds from a distance, but for some reason we're told that we're not allowed to interact with them or touch them in any way. And why is that? What are they hiding?
Yeah, it sounds a bit suspicious, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is suspicious. And that and all the 5G cell towers that have been popping up that we apparently need. My phone has been working for a good 20 years. Why do we now need 5G cell towers? Come on, might have to get a closer look. Where?
Straight ahead.
Alright, get in there. See that? They call that a magpie, but I think that's one of the scout drones. See how it's tacking around, looking at us? Why is it looking at us? Look, it's alerting the other drones. You hear that?
So do you have any conspiracies involving these cell phone towers and birds?
Well, yeah. What are they hiding?
The government?
Yeah. Because just think about it, right? The whole pandemic, the 5G cell towers, all the not being able to talk to birds, it has to mean something. I don't know what they're planning, but I don't know, you can't trust the government. I think he's responsible. No, that was a bit too slippery, but I can get this in focus. Yeah. You're telling me that a creature could make something like this? We're gonna have to take this back to the lab.
So what type of birds are you most interested in following?
Well, the one I find the most suspicious is the ibis, of course. All they do is walk around and just eat food out of bins. How could that have existed at all? Before humans, what is that? Just, oh, fuck.
Go! And cut.
See that? That is exactly what I'm talking about. It does not want to be anywhere near me. What are they hiding? Fucking hell.